Chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration. 1. The 24-hour rhythm of our body, such as the sleep-wake cycle, is regulated by the hormone. Option A calcitonin, B prolactin, C adrenaline, D melatonin. Answer option D melatonin. 2. Graves' disease is caused due to option A hyposecretion of thyroid gland, B hypersecretion of thyroid gland, C hyposecretion of adrenal gland, D hypersecretion of adrenal gland. Answer option B hypersecretion of thyroid gland. The amino acid tryptophan is the precursor for the synthesis of option A estrogen and progesterone, B cortisol and cortisone, C melatonin and serotonin, D thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Answer option C melatonin and serotonin. 4. A pregnant female delivers a baby who suffers from stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, and abnormal skin. This is the result of option A cancer of the thyroid gland, B oversecretion of pars distalis, C deficiency of iodine in diet, D low secretion of growth hormone. Answer option C deficiency of iodine in diet. Which one of the following hormones is not involved in sugar metabolism? Option A insulin, B glucagon, C cortisone, D aldosterone. Answer option D aldosterone.